What is a nature communication process? Communication is a process that connects the sender with the receiver of the message. A process is a systematic series of action, operations, or series of change directed to someone and however, in real life situation, communication process is more complex than it sounds. Communication definition. Communication has a symbolic nature and is an act of sharing one's ideas, emotions, attitudes, or perceptions with another person or group of persons through words, written or spoken, gestures, signals, signs, or other modes of transmitting image. The essential elements of the process of communication are the message, the sender, encoding, the channel, the receiver, decoding, acting on the message, the feedback, and the communication environment. Both the sender and the receiver play a role in making communication effective. Communication is systematic, communication is irreversible, communication is proactive, communication is symbolic, meaning in communication is individually construent. 7 major elements of communication process are sender, ideas, encoding, communication channel, receiver, decoding, and feedback. Hello. Papa. Isang na ako kiss. Wala ka papa kiss na mama. Kiss na mama. Wala ka. Huwag na lang mama. Kiss sa mama. Hello. Ay mama. Ay sa mama. Dili yun. Gat-gat lang na. Wala papa. Wala na. Tawag ko tata. Wala. Mabay na pa. Yay! Hug mama. Kiss na yun. Kiss. Kiss. Sabi o. Sabi o. Sabi sa mama. Sabi o. Sabi o.